Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa, follow these step-by-step instructions for seamless smart home integration. Step 1. Make sure your Ring doorbell is installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network using the Ring app on your smartphone. Step 2. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't have it installed already. Step 3. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Step 4. Tap on the More menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, then select Skills and Games. Step 5. Search for Ring in the Skills search bar and select the official Ring skill from the results. Step 6. Tap Enable to use and sign in with your Ring account email and password when prompted. Step 7. Authorize the connection by granting Alexa permission to access your Ring devices. Step 8. Once connected, tap Discover Devices or ask Alexa to discover new devices by saying Alexa, Discover Devices. Your Ring doorbell will now appear in your Alexa device list, and you can control it with voice commands or view the camera feed on Alexa-enabled displays. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.